Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the penultimate episode of the NR2003 Career Mode Season 3, Episode 21. We got them all lined up here for the second to last ARCA race here at Pikes Peak International Raceway. Your current championship points leader Parker Chase is on the front row here in his number 15 Unity Toyota Camry. Rajah Caruth starting on his outside. Jesse Love there in the 20. Connor Mozak within striking distance right now. He's running out, starting in the 6th with our Matt Squire on his inside in 5th. So let's see what these two could do. Tanner Reef, another championship contender. He's coming from a little further back in both points and in starting position. So if he's going to want to get the championship, he's going to have to work a little bit harder for it. And our driver for this week is going to be the 98 of Buddy Shepard. And to his outside is defending race winner Sean Core, who somehow won this race last season in his 29 machine. As we finished second at that race, I do believe. So without further ado, let's see how this one is going to end. Can Parker Chase get his third career win? Or could we see another first-time winner with either Rajah Caruth, Donald Thieg, I don't know how to say his last name still, or Jesse Love potentially. I think Jesse might have a win this season. I can't remember, but yeah, 36 ARCA drivers going to battle for the win here at Pikes Peak. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, green flag is out here at Pikes Peak. Lap 1 of 60 underway right now. Parker Chase looking for an early lead. Here comes Jesse Love looking on for second here from Rajah Caruth now. Not quite able to get there. He's going to have to slide in behind the 61 machine. Matt Sanchez trying to clear for fourth right now. He will do so. And right now, Connor Mozak, he's struggling right now to get going here. He has Nick Sanchez on his inside in that number 2 Gamebridge Chevrolet. He sits 7th. Parker Chase leads the opening lap. They're 3 wide behind him. Sammy Smith, Taylor Gray, and Jake Drew, who got his first or second win last week, well, yesterday, over at, whatchamacallit, I can't even remember what track they were at. It's Chicagoland, that's right. So right now, Parker Chase still leading over the 61 of Rajah Caruth. About 1/3 through here, Nick Sanchez looking for the race lead right now. To the inside of Parker Chase he goes. This is going to heat up the battle a little bit for the championship, because look who's round up to third. Connor Mozak is moving up this field right now, but he has pressure from the 61 of Rajah Caruth behind him, as he is kind of stuck here. He's trying to get around Nick Sanchez there, but he got caught up on the outside. And can he clear Rajah? He might be able to. Yep, he'll clear the 61. Matt Squire trying to throw his hat in the ring. He's currently running 5th. Still having a good day. Nick Sanchez still trying to go for the race lead here as we are getting close to the halfway mark. They're coming to the white flag this time by, folks. The 23 of Connor Mozak is still running in the top 5. Meanwhile, the 15 of Parker Chase, as you can see, he's very deep in the field. 13th right now. Not very deep, but he's pretty far behind as the white flag is in the air for Daniel Dye. Currently trying to get his first career win. Actually, no, his second career win. And his number 43 machine. Where is he? There he is. There's Daniel Dye, who coming out of turn number 4 is going to claim the victory here at Pikes Peak. He's going to win it. Taylor Gray is going to come home second. Connor Mozak going to come home third. Nick Sanchez fourth. And in a side-by-side finish, it looks like 44 Mason Diaz edged out Sammy Smith. 7th is going to be Matt Sanchez. Will Kimmel with another strong run for him. Jesse Love 9th. And Tanner Reef 10th. And 18th for our buddy Shepard. And Parker Chase 12th. So points are going to get even closer going into Iowa tomorrow night, folks. Oh, my Lord. Okay, so I'm currently editing this video, and I didn't realize that there was no game audio for the entire truck race, so I apologize for that. and it will be fixed for tomorrow's stream. I guess I just didn't have it set up fully. I thought I did because if I go into here, it says it has NR2003, but I guess it just wasn't working. So I'll have it fixed for next race. And sorry, so it's gonna be a little quiet for the rest of the video. Alrighty, guys, we're rolling off second here today. Let's see if we can at least lead a lap or two to get those bonus points for leading a lap. Alrighty. Let's see what goes on here. This race is either going to go pretty good or very bad for us. Hopefully it goes decent. Top 5 would mean chance of making it in on points. I'm just goated on starts there. I knew exactly when it was going to come out. We're good. It's not a jump. But our truck sucks, so we're going to lose the lead. If we can just lead one lap, that'd be great. There we go. Good through 1 and 2 there. I did make the truck a little bit tighter from what we originally had. It was just a little too loose on the long run, so it actually might be decent now. Seeming like it's okay. If we win today, we are in the championship 4. But if we don't win, then we have a possibility of not being in the championship 4. So I would much rather be in the championship 4 than not, because then we have a chance of winning the championship. But it all comes down to this last race. Talladega did not go well for us with obviously with the flip. Let it roll, let it roll. It's feeling good so far, but we've still got a lot of traffic here. Tanner Gray rather, nearly came up the track and wrecked us there. So we can get him on exit of 2. We've been pretty good on the top in happy hour, so we will be able to clear Gray off the top lane there. Hopefully we don't slide up again. Our car just doesn't want to rotate. If I overshoot the corner, start sliding up the track, it spins out, so gotta really make sure we don't spin. Chances are if we spin, AI won't stop and they'll blow our engine. So let's not do that. As this race spreads out, which I hope it does, we're gonna likely see green flag stops unless we can magically save 2 laps of fuel. Which we shall see. Hitting the wall there, that's not very good. Very loose out of 2 there. Coming around to complete lap 9 and start lap number 10. See if we can get in some sort of rhythm here. We're pretty good on exit, but our entry isn't the greatest. Oh, we're going to completely miss it here. There's absolutely no grip down on the bottom either, so... Tanner Gray will pass us for the race lead on lap 11. We're going to try to chase him down here. Car got loose there, 35 to go. If we finish second, that wouldn't be too bad, I don't think, because we led laps. Got some bonus points on our hands. We'll have to see, have to play the smart game here, pit strategy-wise. Just stop missing our entry into 3. That would also help us to stop losing ground on Gray. So I think we might be faster than Gray. We just gotta get back to him. Okay, so truck sucks on the bottom of 3 and 4. Noted. Dirt tracking off of 2. Now our exit is better, or our entrance is better, but our exit is now hurting. I'll block Zane Smith there. Just can't get up off the throttle on the bottom. And Christian Eckes just wrecked us. God dang it, Christian, dude. Alrighty, guys. Going back green. We'll have 27 laps to pass 33 trucks. Eckes is restarting 24th here, so I hope Eckes doesn't make it. I really hope he doesn't. But if he does, he's not going to win the championship. I can tell you that much for sure. That is a promise, not a threat, I swear. But for now, let's just try to do the best that we can in our 07 K&N Chevrolet. Worst comes worst, we'll just come back in season 4 with stronger than ever. We don't have good restarts because the truck is just so loose on the initial go, so Not trying to tear up equipment right out of the gate here. Spotter, we're 4 wide. Oh my god. I survived the 4 wide of Phoenix right there. Alright, halfway home, P29. Shouldn't need to pit again. Should be able to go green the whole way home here. That's another chunk of trucks there. Ekis hasn't moved a whole lot. He's 22nd here. Try and get to the inside of Anderson here in the dog leg. '22 is a lap down, so I see Ekis. Got on that apron there and got just super loose. Greenfield's a lap down. Don't touch that apron. These 2 trucks for top 20. Dean Thompson. I don't even want to look at you right now. I love you in real life, but man, have you been a real heel this season. From Gateway to Bristol. Move up to 19th now. Safe as we can. Move up a lane, then we can full throttle. There we go. Call that more barely clear. Whatever, I don't call the shots, but all I do know is that was a little close. Send it on Howard. Not Crafton. Just not in a good position to do the send on the 88 truck. We're pushing, we're doing it the smart way. We gotta send it 3 wide here. slid up into Matt. That's not what I wanted to do, but you know what? Whatever. Hopefully Howard can back off a bit here. Okay, we're good. I mean, De Benedetto, I knew you were my favorite. It literally just moved up and out of the way for us, man. I love you so much, Matt. You are a literal lifesaver. Always knew you were my favorite, Dibby. Alright, 3 more trucks for a top 10. P10. P11. Alright, so we got 10 laps left here. Huge run out of 2 for us. To the inside. Chase Purdy there. Back in the top 10. Alright, come on. Need a couple more spots. We can get around Friesen. That is a playoff truck, so we got one of them behind us, but the other 6 are ahead of us. I see 2 of them, Majeski and Friesen, right in front of us here. Let's think with our brains here. Let's take our time. As I say that. You guys didn't see this, but Chandler Smith there in the 18 wrecked us on pit road, so actually I'll throw that in the video as well, so you guys have already seen that, but not really pleased with him either. P6, no P7, 4 to go, 2 more for a top 5. Smith is another playoff driver too, so we gotta send it. Yeah, one more playoff truck here. Ben Rhodes. We're starting to get loose though, so just gotta be careful. Coming to 2 laps to go. Oh my gosh. Trying to make the final 4 is just so frustrating right now. We've had a very up and down playoff run. With a win early on at Milwaukee. DNF at Kansas, DNF at Bristol. Not Bristol, Talladega. Gotta send it. Almost right. If we can get fourth, it's gonna be close. Not quite gonna get fourth. Fifth today here at Phoenix, folks. Oh my god. Who won? Please tell me Zane Smith won. That's what I need. That's what we needed to see. That's what we needed to see. Okay. I'm gonna do my live reaction to the points here for the championship for. Okay, guys, we're doing the points for right now for trucks. So Zane Smith, he's already locked in, so his points don't really matter. But there's 185 for him. So, like I said, he is already locked in, and I'll bold and italicize that. And Ty Majeski, 142 for him. Christian Eckes, where did he finish? 103 for Eckes, so he is likely not going to make it. Okay, and then we got Stuart Friesen, 134. Chandler Smith, 146. Ben Rhodes, 150. Oh, I think we missed it, guys. I think we missed it. 170 for Grant Enfinner. 160 for us. Alrighty, so the full points are done here. Playoffs are set for Zane Smith, Ty Majeski, Chandler Smith, and Grant Enfinner. And we're going to be streaming the race live tomorrow night. So stay tuned for that. Should be a fun one to watch. And here are the ARCA points. So, Parker Chase, despite having a down day at Pikes Peak, still has the points lead over Connor Mozak. 21-point advantage to the 23 car. So right now it's a tight battle. Parker Chase won at Iowa last season, so hopefully he can kind of rekindle that fire because he hasn't won a race since Daytona, but he's been very consistent. As for our Matt Squire, currently 6th in the points, and he might be able to get a top 5. He's only 6 points behind Daniel Dye right now, so it's definitely possible. And just want to point out, Sean Corr, 18th in points right now. Last season he finished 3rd. Like, what a down year it has been for Sean Corr. As he, ever since he switched to that 8 car, he has not been performing as well. So, oh, I forgot to put Mason Diaz's points in. Hold on, my bad. Pretty sure he finished like top whatever, right? Diaz, 44, 160. Yeah, okay. Now he has points. So, 2189. That is actually ahead of Matt Squire. So, he is 7th then, as he will be there jumping up to 4th. I forgot to put his points in. My bad. So he still might be able to get a top 5, but if he can get, he'll hold on to a top 10, I'll be happy with that. So as this stack continues to grow, our 10th career top 5 finish. I love that win list, truck win list. I'll update that off camera, but without further ado, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys tomorrow night with the live stream at Homestead and Iowa. We'll do Iowa first. I'll do a full commentary over that. And then we'll stream Homestead in the cockpit as we watch Enfinner, Smith, Majeski, and Zane Smith battle for the championship. And hopefully we can get a top 10 points finish, although it's a little close here. So let's see how Homestead goes, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.